Hello designers! Want to create a sleek e-commerce mobile app for Android 15? Save this video and watch how quickly you can bring your app idea to life. Let's quickly create your mobile e-commerce app for Android 15. We'll be leveraging MockFlow's powerful wireframing editor, combined with the Android 15 UI kit. This kit is packed with ready-to-use components across multiple categories, ensuring you have everything you need to create a polished and efficient mobile e-commerce app design. Let's begin by setting up the master page, starting with the mobile frame. Next, we'll add the top navigation status bar to display key details like network, time, and battery percentage. Then, we'll integrate a customizable bottom navigation bar, tailored to the app's specific needs. For the e-commerce experience, we'll leverage icons from MockFlow's extensive icon library to refine the design. Add your preferred icons to the bottom navigation bar using MockFlow's extensive icon library, featuring a wide range of essential icons to elevate your wireframe design. After adding the icons, we'll rename the page to Frame and designate it as the master page for all subsequent pages in the e-commerce mobile app. This approach saves time by allowing us to build all other pages on this master template. Next, we'll design the home page, using Frame as the foundation. Let's begin by incorporating the menu bar using icons from MockFlow's icon library for the page's navigation menu. To enhance usability and make product searches intuitive, we'll add a search bar at the top of the page, enabling users to quickly find what they're looking for. Additionally, we'll implement a floating action button that can be converted into an add to cart feature for seamless shopping. We'll swap the pencil icon with a cart icon from MockFlow's icon library to finish the looks of the add to cart button. This button lets users view the items they've added to their cart. We will now add a rectangle component as the background and adjust its color to match the e-commerce mobile app's design scheme. Next, we'll add a filter from the Other Elements category, which shows the number of results and provides sorting and filtering options. This feature enhances the browsing experience, making it easier for users to find and explore products efficiently. Now let's add cards for displaying the product listings. Select product cards from the Other Elements category and arrange them in an appropriate number of rows and columns to fit the page layout. This will form the product listing section for the e-commerce application. After adding the cards, you have the flexibility in MockFlow to modify the images and text to suit your preferences. We will now guide the user to a new page displaying the detailed product view. To ensure consistency across the app, we'll use the same master page as the home page. The detail page will feature comprehensive product information that we are taking from the pop-ups category in our UI kit to provide an in-depth view. Let's create an alert page to design a confirmation pop-up. Here, we'll use the detailed page as the master page where the confirmation pop-up will appear for the user to confirm the purchase. First, add a rectangle to create the overlay effect. Then, from the List and Dialog category, select the Success Dialog option, add it to the overlay, and customize it as needed. Let's now visualize the user journey for this e-commerce page by adding interactions. Select a mouse-click action for the product and set it to navigate to the detail page, allowing users to smoothly transition and view product details. Next, we'll add an interaction to the Add to Basket button. Set the mouse-click action to navigate to the alert page, which will display a confirmation pop-up. Once the pop-up appears, apply another interaction with the Go to Page action, selecting Home Page as the destination. This ensures a smooth redirection to the home page, keeping users engaged throughout the process. Let's now see the interactions we've created in view mode. When you click on a product, it takes you to the details page. Then, clicking the Add to Basket button triggers a pop-up, and when you click the Back to Home button, it returns you to the home page. This is how you can see the wireframe in action. See how easy and quick it is to create an Android 15 e-commerce mobile app with MockFlow. Follow us for more quick design tutorials.